Jet planes in the night sky with you.
To start off with, I painted 5 petals in a circle near my eye. Next to the large rose, I painted 2 smaller ones on either side, and I did this by painting a petal shape and then painting an inverted shape as well. Inside the rose, I painted a cone shape in the middle, and then I just dragged the brush underneath, and that creates this rose petal shape. Using the same brush but a green split cake, I then painted leaves at either side of the design, and to make them pretty you want to use your brush in like a jagged way, and that creates this jagged leaf effect. Then went into this super fine brush and I just created these swirls coming out of the leaves. Using Diamond FX white paint, I started to add clusters of dots to the design, and with this rose design I like to do super big ones because I think it looks really nice, and it's good to add them to just any parts of the design that you feel look a bit sparse. I also added a couple of starbursts around the roses. There you go guys, that's my super quick and easy, once you get the hang of it, Valentine's Day one stroke rose design. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!